When it comes to making your home in St. James more comfortable and energy efficient, door installation is often overlooked. Yet, the right door can significantly lower heating and cooling costs, improve indoor comfort, and even add resale value to your property. Whether you're replacing an outdated entry door or installing patio doors, choosing energy-efficient options will make a noticeable difference. Why doors matter for energy efficiency. Doors are one of the primary points where air leaks and energy loss occur. Older doors may have gaps, poor insulation, or warped frames that allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to creep in. This leads to higher utility bills and inconsistent indoor temperatures. Installing a new, well-insulated door creates a solid barrier against drafts and helps regulate your home's energy usage year-round. In a climate like St. James, where hot summers and chilly winters put extra demand on HVAC systems, upgrading your doors can quickly pay for itself. Choosing the right door materials. The material of your door plays a big role in energy performance. Here are some top options. Fiberglass doors, known for durability and excellent insulation. Fiberglass doors resist warping and weather damage. Many models come with insulated cores that enhance thermal performance. Steel doors. These are sturdy and secure, with foam insulation inside the core to reduce energy loss. They are affordable and long-lasting but may require proper finishes to prevent heat transfer. Wood doors. Traditional and attractive, wood doors offer natural insulation. However, they require more maintenance and may not perform as efficiently in extreme weather unless paired with energy-efficient glass inserts. When selecting your door, look for options that carry the ENERGY STAR certification, which guarantees that the door meets strict energy efficiency standards. The importance of proper installation. Even the most efficient door won't save energy if it's poorly installed. Professional door installation in St. James ensures that your new entry or patio door is properly aligned, sealed, and insulated. Key aspects of installation include tight seals and weather stripping, prevents drafts and moisture from seeping in. Insulated frames, reduces heat transfer around the door. Correct fit, ensures smooth operation and eliminates gaps that waste energy. Hiring experienced installers guarantees that your door performs to its full potential. Additional features that boost efficiency. Modern doors come with features designed specifically to improve energy efficiency. Low-E glass inserts reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter. Double or triple pane glass provides superior insulation for glass doors. Thermal breaks, built-in barriers that reduce heat transfer between the interior and exterior surfaces. Adding storm doors or installing high-quality thresholds can also provide an extra layer of protection against energy loss. Long-term benefits of energy-efficient doors. Investing in new doors is not only about immediate comfort, it also brings long-term advantages. Lower energy bills, reduced heating and cooling costs year after year. Enhanced comfort, a more consistent indoor temperature. Increased home value. Buyers are attracted to homes with modern, energy-efficient upgrades. Sustainability. Using less energy reduces your household's carbon footprint. Final thoughts. Door installation in St. James is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's a smart investment in your home's efficiency, comfort, and value. By selecting the right materials, ensuring professional installation, and incorporating modern energy-saving features, you'll create a home that performs better in every season. If you're ready to reduce drafts, lower your utility bills, and enjoy a cozier living space, consider upgrading your doors today. The right choice could transform not only the look of your home but also its long-term energy performance.